जब कैरी मिनाटी ने टिकटॉक को रोस्ट किया तो ऑडियंस ने भर भर के मजे लिए और उसके सब्सक्राइबर्स अराउंड 12 to 13 मिलियन से 20 मिलियन पार हो गए रातों रात। एंड जब उसी कैरी मिनाटी ने सुशांत सिंह राजपूत के डेथ पर अपने इंस्टाग्राम पे एक कॉन्डोलेंस पोस्ट डाला तो उसके कमेंट्स कुछ इस प्रकार के थे। यू नीड टू ग्रो अप, यू बुली पीपल इन द नेम ऑफ रोस्टिंग। People like you are the cause of depression. Stop trolling people unnecessarily cause you can be a reason for someone's suicide too. Let the people do whatever they want. If they're happy by doing things without harming the nation or anyone, then don't roast them. अबे चूतिए, तेरा घर चलता है लोगों को हरास करके, जिंदगी ज्ञान मत। Now let's go through the Google definition of freedom of speech. Power or right to express opinions without censorship, restraint or legal penalty. And looking at the situations of today, हर बात में आजकल कोई ना कोई ऑफेंड हो रहा है, तो फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच गया कहाँ? कल को मैं किसी को गधा बोल दूं और वो एनिमल वेलफेयर का बंदा निकले तो वो तो वही बोलेगा कि हाउ डेयर यू, तुम गधों की इंसल्ट कैसे कर सकते हो, तुमको क्या लगता है कि गधों के पास दिमाग नहीं होता, ब्ला ब्ला एंड ब्ला। Let's talk about another hot and debated example. Men who wear makeup are compared to women. Why? Because since our childhood we have only seen women applying makeup. Now there are a few women who don't apply makeup and there are also men who apply makeup. Even I applied makeup in these pics. But since women are a majority who apply makeup, that's why people compare men who apply makeup to women. And basically we are living in a time period where most of the men don't apply makeup. Maybe 50 years later equal number of men and women apply makeup. तब कोई किसी मर्द को नहीं बोलेगा कि ये औरत की तरह behave कर रहा है when he applies makeup. Now let's come to the first thing. Even I've been told the same thing in my past when I applied makeup. But instead of getting triggered, I have laughed at the joke. Maybe because I'm not insecure about my gender or I don't know the exact reason why. Now let's come to the second thing. You might not feel the same as I did. You might be triggered by that joke or that offensive comment. In that case, just go to that person and tell him or her that, hey listen, I think this was a bit offensive and I think I'm a bit hurt and please can you keep a check on your language the next time. Third thing, you go to that person and say that hey this is offensive and you don't post it on social media and bash him publicly. And you don't form groups on social media and encourage people to go and beat him or her just because that joke was offensive. In that case you are 1,000 times more wrong than the person who cracked that joke. Fourth and the last thing, remember that jokes are just jokes and jokes are meant to reduce pain from your life. Don't search for offense in every joke and please don't try to relate jokes to real life. Just laugh and leave. हाथी और चींटी बाइक नहीं चला सकते. Those are just jokes. Those jokes are meant to give a laugh to people. Coming to another two very important things. Look, the first case is to crack a joke you are using a gender, religion or caste or anything you like. And the second case is you are cracking a joke itself on the religion or on the gender or on the caste or anything that it is. These are two very important things to notice and the second one is I guess very wrong and unacceptable, but the first one is chill. The fact is this, roasting is a popular genre of comedy and some people like it, some people don't. It's okay. There are also some people जो हंसते हैं जब तक बात खुद पर ना आ जाए. If you ask me, I basically like roasting. In fact, I love roasting. कल को अगर कोई मुझे भी roast करे, then also I love the roasting if it's actually funny. But hey, again, that's just my opinion and you don't have to agree with me. I think I'm not someone who can give a comment on if Agrima Joshua was right or wrong because it might not hurt me, but it might hurt someone else. But all I'm saying is mindfulness should be from both the sides. कॉमेडियंस एंड रोस्टर्स को भी अपनी लैंग्वेज का ध्यान रखना चाहिए जब वो किसी को रोस्ट कर रहे हैं ताकि किसी की फीलिंग्स को वो डीपली हर्ट ना करे. एंड ऑडियंस शुड ऑल्सो अंडरस्टैंड दैट दिस वाज जस्ट फॉर फन एंड अगर गलती से एक दो बार कहीं पे कुछ अनाप शनाप निकल गया तो इट्स फाइन. I guess it's fine. Thank you all. This was just a short video and I wanted to speak my heart out and I hope you subscribe the channel. Till then, goodbye.